Ahoy, treasure seekers. The seas of the E-mini S&P 500 futures has been pillaging profits from some and rewarding others. Off the waves, the last 5 hours. First filling our booty chests, then seeing the tide turn on us. Batten down the hatches as we chart a course through these choppy waters. Let's jump right into it. Key buy and sell levels, or ranges. Value area high, VAH, 6,948. The topmast of today's galleon. Breach this and the crew sings sea shanties. Value area, low, VAL, 6939. The gunnel, where buyers defend the hull. Point of control, POC, 6943. The deck where most boots stomp today. Support zones, 6,939 to 6,943. VAL into POC, sturdy planks underfoot. 6,926 to 6,931. Yesterday's POC to today's session low. The spare lifeboat, resistance zones, 6,946 to 6,950. Top sails into fresh air above VAH. 6,942 to 6,944. Yesterday's VAH into today's POC, busy rigging. Single prints, escape paths. Lower, 6,932 to 6,934. Thin water, swift currents if breached. Upper, 6,948 to 6,948, a tight channel at the crow's nest. Market context. Across the last 3 sessions, the ship has drifted upward from a broad value on October 27th to acceptance higher on October 28th, then tightened today between 6,931 and 6,949. Today's profile is balanced with a slight bullish list, POC at 6,943 and VAH pressing 6,948. Think tidy harbor, with the tide favoring longs, but not a full ocean crossing yet. Volume analysis. Cumulative. Volume delta. CVD. Breakdown. Session open. CVD. 3,046. Buyers began with a friendly tailwind. Intraday peak buying. CVD. 8,179. The crew hauled the mainsail with gusto. Current CVD. 6,878. Still net positive. Wind in the canvas. Intraday low. CVD. Negative 960. A squall earlier left some water in the bilge. Interpretation. Net buying pressure dominates, but the pullback to negative 960 shows sellers can still fire a warning broadside. Continuation above VAH needs fresh buyers to board. Risk management considerations. Long trades. Preferred entry. 6,940 to 6,943. Responsive bids near VAL into POC. Alternative breakout, 6,949 and above. On acceptance, avoid false spikes. Stop loss, 6,936, below the lower ledge of today's value. Targets, 6,948 first, 6,954 extension if sales fill. Short trades, fade zone, 6,946 to 6,950 on rejection. Look for rotation back into value. Breakdown, below 6,939 with acceptance. Lean into lower current. Stop loss, 6,951 for fades, or 6,944 for breakdown shorts reclaimed. Targets, 6,943 first, 6,938 next. 6,932 single print if momentum bites. Position sizing. Risk 1 to 2% per idea. Scale partials at first targets. Trail to last defended level after partials. Potential scenarios and trade setups. Scenario A. Acceptance above VH. If price accepts above 6,948, enter long on a pullback towards 6,949. Stop 6,943. Target 6,954, then 6,958. Rationale: fresh acceptance turns the top mast into a launch plank. Scenario B: rejection from VAH. First test fails between 6,946 and 6,950. Enter short on the lower high. Stop 6,951. Target 6,943, then 6,939. Rationale: mean reversion to deck and gunnel. Scenario C: failure at VAL. Acceptance below 6,939. Enter short on retest of 6,939 from below. Stop 6,944. Target 6,934, then 6,932. Single print. Rationale: thin water accelerates the dinghy. Scenario D: value bounce. Probe into 6,940 to 6,943 finds buyers. Enter long 6,942. Stop 6,936. Target 6,948, then 6,954. Rationale: buyers defend the hull at value edge. Scenario E: inside day coil. Hold between 6,939 and 6,948 through midday. Fade extremes with tight stops and quick targets back to 6,943. Rationale: harbor chop favors the nimble deckhand. Smash the like and subscribe button. Click the bell to receive content notifications. Remember, the future belongs to the focused. Stay disciplined, stay curious, and as always, trade smart, trade strong, and never stop leveling up. I'll see you in the markets.